everyone, today we're going to learn 3 useful French structures that will make your French sound more natural in daily life. Let's start. The first one is à force de. À force de. Here, force means strength. So this structure is used to express that repeating an action or doing something a lot leads to a specific result, no matter negative or positive. So in English, it's like saying by doing something repeatedly, by doing something a lot. The structure is à force de plus infinitive plus result. Let's have a look at a few examples. À force de travailler, elle a réussi. À force de travailler, elle a réussi. À force de courir, il s'est essoufflé. À force de courir, il s'est essoufflé. À force de crier, il a perdu la voix. À force de crier, il a perdu la voix. Okay, now let's have a look at the second one. Faillir. Faillir. So faillir is a verb that is used to say that someone almost did something, but it didn't really happen. So in English, it's like saying, I almost did something, I nearly did something. And we almost always use this verb in the compound past form because it expresses an action that almost happened in the past. Okay, let's have a look at the conjugation. J'ai failli. J'ai failli. Tu as failli. Tu as failli. Il, elle, on a failli. Il, elle, on a failli. Nous avons failli. Nous avons failli. Vous avez failli. Vous avez failli. Ils, elles ont failli. Ils, elles ont failli. After failli, we always put an infinitive verb. Now let's have a look at a few examples. J'ai failli tomber. J'ai failli tomber. Elle a failli oublier son passeport. Elle a failli oublier son passeport. Ils ont failli rater le train. Ils ont failli rater le train. So here it means that the actions in those sentences didn't really happen. I didn't fall, they didn't miss the train, and she didn't forget her passport. Okay, now let's have a look at the last one. Avoir, beau. Avoir, beau. It expresses that someone makes an effort, tries to do something, but it's useless. The result does not change. So in English, it's like saying even though someone does something, or depending on the context, it can also mean no matter how much someone does something. The structure is avoir beau plus infinitive plus contrasting or negative result. For example, il a beau essayer, il n'y arrive pas. Il a beau essayer, il n'y arrive pas. Y arriver means to succeed or to be able to do something. And ne pas y arriver is the opposite, so to not succeed or to not be able to do something. J'ai beau expliquer, ils ne comprennent pas. J'ai beau expliquer, ils ne comprennent pas. Tu as beau courir, tu seras en retard. Tu as beau courir, tu seras en retard. So avoir beau is kind of the opposite of à force de. Avoir beau shows efforts that don't pay off, whereas à force de shows repeated actions that work. Let's compare. À force d'étudier, elle est devenue la première de sa classe. À force d'étudier, elle est devenue la première de sa classe. Here, à force de shows efforts or repeated actions that led to success. On the other hand, if we use avoir beau, for example, elle a beau étudier, elle n'a jamais été la première de sa classe. Elle a beau étudier, elle n'a jamais été la première de sa classe. Here, efforts don't pay off. Okay, now let's practice to review what we've learned. First, complete the sentences using the expressions we learned. Il étudiait, il ne comprend toujours pas. Il a beau étudier, il ne comprend toujours pas. Elle tombait dans les escaliers ce matin. Elle a failli tomber dans les escaliers ce matin. Pratiquer, tu t'améliores. À force de pratiquer, tu t'améliores. Nous parler, il ne nous écoute jamais. Nous avons beau parler, il ne nous écoute jamais. Il ratait le train. Ils ont failli rater le train. Réfléchir, il a trouvé une solution. À force de réfléchir, il a trouvé une solution. Je cherchais mes clés, je ne les trouve pas. J'ai beau chercher mes clés, je ne les trouve pas. Elle paniquait, mais tout s'est bien passé. Elle a failli paniquer, mais tout s'est bien passé. Now, say the following sentences in French. No matter how much I study, I remember nothing. J'ai beau étudier, je ne retiens rien. She almost cried. Elle a failli pleurer. By practicing every day, she improved. À force de pratiquer tous les jours, elle s'est améliorée. They almost forgot the tickets. Ils ont failli oublier les tickets. No matter how much we try, it doesn't work. Nous avons beau essayer, ça ne marche pas. By working a lot, he succeeded. À force de travailler, il a réussi. Okay, that's it for today, and try to use what we've learned as much as you can. See you in the next video. Au revoir!